people don't fail at habits because of laziness. They fail because they don't know the science behind change. Let's fix that in a few seconds. Point 1. Start small plus. Use triggers. First, start small and attach your habit to a trigger. Studies show it takes about 66 days to form a habit, so small steps compound over time. A trigger means linking your habit to something you already do. For example, when I brush my teeth, I'll floss one tooth. Or, after I make coffee, I'll do 5 push-ups. Your brain treats the habit as automatic by tying it to an existing routine. Point 2. Make it easy. Break the bad second. Design your environment. Make good habits easy and visible, and bad habits hard and hidden. For example, place your book on your pillow so you can read before bed. Lay out workout clothes the night before. Hide snacks in the top cupboard or don't buy them. The easier a habit starts, the more likely it is to stick. Point 3. Identity plus track progress. Third, shift your mindset. Don't just chase results, become the type of person who lives the habit. Say, I'm a reader, not, I want to read more. Track your progress. Studies show people who track habits are far more likely to stick with them. And follow the golden rule, never miss twice. Skip once, reset the next day. Want a simple way to stay on track? I've put together a free habit tracker PDF you can download below.